Fourth type of wavelength converter is to achieve this wavelength converter is wave mixing. Wave mixing means from the name itself we can understand that it will mix so many waves. That is, it arises when more than one wavelength can be generated. Okay, wave mixing means it arises when more than one wavelength is generated. More than one wavelength is generated in optical medium. And here wave mixing preserves both phase and gain modulation information. It preserves both phase and gain modulation. And it is of two types. First one is four-way mixing. Shortly we say as FWM. And the second one is difference frequency generation. DFG. Okay, wave mixing means it arises when more than one wavelength is generated in optical medium, and it preserves both phase and gain modulation, and it is of two types, that is four-way mixing and difference frequency generation. Four-way mixing means it is the intermodulation process. Four-way mixing. First we are discussing about four-way mixing. Four-way mixing means it is an intermodulation phenomenon. Intermodulation phenomena in optical medium that is interaction of two wavelengths will produce another two wavelengths, another two extra wavelengths. These are about four-way mixing. Four-way mixing means it is an intermodulation phenomena in the optical medium. That is, interaction of two wavelengths will produce another extra two wavelength. That is known as four-way mixing. Four-way mixing means the name itself we can understand this. Four wavelengths are mixing. That is, two wavelengths will interact with wavelength. The two wavelengths can be interacted and produces extra two wavelengths. That is the definition of four-way mixing. Next, difference frequency mixing generation. Second type means in fourth wave, that is wave mixing. Second type, difference frequency generation. Shortly we know as DFG. DFG means it produces two gain. Pump signal and input signal. Two waves can be produced using this difference frequency generation, that is pump wave and input wave. That is x of n, here input signal lambda S and lambda p, output signal lambda c. Okay, here these are about wave mixing, and here continuous wave can be achieved, and here on formula Fc equal to n minus 1 into Fs minus Fp. Okay, in difference frequency generation, it produces two signals, that is pump signal and input signal, and this x of n can be generated and output can be obtained as lambda c, continuous wavelength. And here on formula for this different EFG, continuous frequency. Continuous frequency can be given by the formula n minus 1 into Fs minus Fp. Fs means input frequency and Fp means pump frequency. And these are about DFG. Wave mixing. Wave mixing advantages means no noisy signal. Here noisy signal will not be generated. But disadvantage means low efficiency. These are about four-way mixing. Okay, four-way mixing means, shortly we want to say means your four-way mixing will arises when more than one wavelength is generated in the optical medium. It will preserve both phase modulation and gain modulation. And here two types of four-way mixing, wave mixing, that is four-way mixing FWM and DFG, that is difference frequency generation. First, four-way mixing means it is an intermodulation phenomena in optical medium, that is interaction of two wavelengths will produce extra another two wavelengths. That is about four-way mixing. And next one is DFG. DFG means difference frequency generation. Here it will produce two waves, that is two signals, pump signal and input signal. And here x of n is generated from these two inputs, and fixed output will be generated by this continuous wavelength. And here continuous frequency can be given by the formula n minus 1 into Fs minus Fp. Advantages of this wave mixing means no noisy signal. Disadvantages means it's a low efficiency. That's all about wavelength generators.